Hi, I am Janaranjini. I am a Photoshop Designer Intern from Namakkal, Tamil Nadu.
Hello everyone. Welcome to my internship experience at Abhyaz. I'm Nisha Fatima, Data Analytics and Product Management. This was a remote internship based in Tamil Nadu.
I used the software in Abhyaz or Canva, Zoho Social, Zoho Campaign and Zoho Show.
I worked with industry-leading tools like Zoho CRM, Zoho Desk, Campaign, Recruit, Sheet, Sites and much more.
Create social media post, banner, presentation, browser, videos and email campaign.
My responsibilities included data enrichment, module cleanup, lead management, and process
I
optimization.
got clear task guidance from my mentor Mansi Sharma.
I was mentored by Keerti Tandin, whose guidance was exceptional.
Abhyaz Internship helped me to enhance my design skill and work with industrial-driven tools.
This internship helped me gain hands-on experience, improve problem solving and teamwork skills, strengthen leadership ability, and enhance time management.
Thank you, Abhyaz, for these opportunities.
If you are looking for an internship that provides real-world experience and strong mentorship, Abhyaz is the place for you. I highly recommend joining Abhyaz. Thank you for watching.